Welcome back to Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. This is our Actor Spotlight series, where we explore what makes each actor stand out. Today, we're taking a closer look at Mimmy Tea. Mimmy Tea, there's something very interesting about him, something many people may not even notice until you pay close attention. His real name is Oyetunji Olawole, but at the end of most movies, you will not see that name. All you see is Mimmy Tea, and that alone already sets him apart. In an industry where many actors use their full names, he sticks to a name that has become his identity on screen, but that's not all. There is a pattern that follows Mimmy Tea in many of his roles. He is often cast as the one who is pitied, who is cheated on, or who is treated unfairly, the calm person who ends up being hurt, the loyal one who is betrayed, the quiet character who people take advantage of. And if you watch closely, anytime Mimmy Tea appears in a movie, there is usually a moment of distrust or betrayal connected to his character. It almost feels like once he shows up, you already know something is going to happen to him. And that consistency has become part of his identity as an actor. Over the years, he has featured in several Yoruba movies, including titles like Blinded Deal, Agbelegbumi, Damaged, Igi Owo, Ere Omo, Kadara Eda, Ijebi, Tani, and many more. Through these roles, he continues to bring the same calm and relatable presence to his characters. Another thing that stands out is his voice and delivery. Mimmy Tea is not loud. He speaks in a soft tone, even when the situation around him is intense, even when he is given a role that requires anger or confrontation. He still maintains that calm, controlled presence. He doesn't force reactions. He stays within his natural tone, and that makes his performance feel real. Because not everyone reacts with noise. Some people react quietly, and Mimmy Tea represents that kind of character very well. His strength is not in shouting, but in restraint, in subtle emotion, and in the way he carries pain without making too much noise. And beyond acting, there is another side to him. Mimmy Tea is also a musician, and that creative expression adds another layer to his personality as an entertainer. And that is what makes him different. He has built a unique space for himself, playing characters that are calm, often misunderstood, and sometimes unfairly treated. So the next time you see Mimmy Tea in a movie, pay attention. Watch how the story unfolds around him. Watch how people treat his character. And watch how he responds with calmness. Even in difficult situations, you might begin to notice a pattern that makes him stand out. What do you think about Mimmy Tea's acting style? Share your thoughts in the comments.
I believe very soon things will turn out better again.
It's okay, no problem.
We hope we understand.
Of course. So, Shotima knows by
Man. Okay. You know, is this not the GM's car? What is it doing here?
You just shut up your mouth.
What are you doing
Shut
here?
up your mouth.
Okay.
Hello, Kwelo. Showing time to fi call you to fi solve nonsense to nso yi. To ba ye pe time yẹn àti energy yẹn o lo o fi mo se to yẹ kó ṣe ni. Bo yo ba ti grow jole lọ. Nso yibo. Stop it, baby. Pe mi Paul lójú ẹ. Call me my name. Let him know you're my babe. Kí ló ń ṣe? Kí ló ń jẹ́ kẹ́?
What's going on?
Shut up.
Okay. Are you serious?
Are you okay? Come on. Come on! Come on! Yeah. That's my babe. Mo wá gbé ẹni èmi àti ẹjọ́ ń jáde. Let's go out. Let's go out.
Ike, are you serious?
Move now. Explanation and anything. Move, baby girl. An explanation. She didn't do it. You are fall down. One by me, you are mad.
Ike?
Shut up your mouth. Idiot. You know.